We are attempting to leave the house to go to Company Burger. You see people behind me? I don't want to look. Look at these jokers. It's an Uber. I feel like this, the video is much better. It's a wide quality, wide view. It's nicer. Beautiful day, man. I don't care. I like the rain. It's like, as long as it's not pouring, and just like sprinkles like this, I can deal with it. I know. Everybody's happy now. Yeah, we were just talking about it. And I was like, I'm so proud of
He is crazy.
I was like, I'm so proud of myself. I made my first penny, and he's like, yeah, he's like, right, yeah. Have a great day. All right. Oh, we're walking in the rain. That's it. We're doing it. Come on, you can handle. I got it.
Hey, I'd be soaked
Hey,
by the
let's
time yoga started right about 9.
By the way, we're going to coffee. I'm not going to walk in the rain. Come on, coffee place is right there. It's 1.5 a block away. I'm going to move on. I know, right? Yeah, exactly. And drinking. And drunking. I'm dying. Listen, man. You're the one who stopped there. You get mad at me. I know, right? Outside of a yoga class, and we're talking about smoking cigarettes, drinking coffee. Priceless. Priceless, Carpenter. Priceless.
Running.
Running in the rain. All right, I'll take it. Oh, God, come on. Oh, stop the car. Shit, what the fuck? It's okay. We got it. We got it. We're good. We're healthy. Sweet. I don't know. I'm gonna get a coffee of some sort. Like, a lot of people freaked out. I put like 50 fucking pieces of sugar in my coffee. But I do it. I do it all the time. You ready to go? I think it's raining really hard now.
You're asking about what I eat now.
Yeah, right now, while it's raining, we can run.
No.